A task force is now in place to help migrants feel safe at the Hamilton County Courthouse. This is all happening in response to reports that WCPO 9 News reporter Courtney Francisco broke to the Tri-State about immigration agents or ICE agents going inside the courthouse to make arrests. She was there for the announcement today.
Two big things. The new task force laid out concrete plans it wants to look at to make sure migrants feel safer here. And the presiding judge wants you to know that most judges are not calling ICE, and he's taken steps to back that up.
When ICE tears families apart, it hurts.
Stories of migrants seeking refuge, afraid to enter the courthouse, were the focus today.
I have known of rape victims scared to report their rapists for fear that their immigration status would be discovered.
WCPO 9 News first reported last month that ICE enters the courthouse to detain people. These advocates, judges, and attorneys joined the Clerk of Courts to create a task force to help migrants feel safe doing business in the courthouse.
What we can do on that front is to expand translator services in the Clerk of Court's office. We can do an informational and educational program so communities know their rights when they come here.
Judge Charles Kubicki says it's unnecessary.
The Ohio Supreme Court's already addressed the issue.
Says for years, the Supreme Court has required judges to go through a seminar on courthouses and refugees. And after reports Judge Robert Ruhlman calls ICE on defendants, he says the Chief Justice emailed this letter reminding them of the training.
I went ahead and canvassed the judges.
Other than Judge Ruhlman, he says none call ICE.
You've got a lot of really good judges here who are very fair, who treat everybody with dignity and respect, and are interested in the administration of justice, and that's justice for everybody, regardless of what your background is or where you came from.
We asked what the task force says to critics who say migrants here without documents are committing a crime and deserve deportation. Leaders tell me that's not criminal, it's civil, and it's legal to seek asylum.
And so if you have a perception in the courthouse that both victims and witnesses don't feel comfortable coming to prosecute their claims, then what you have is violent criminals out on the streets.
ICE sent me a statement saying oftentimes a courthouse is the safest place an agent can go to detain a person. And I have that full statement on our website, WCPO.com. Just click on this story. Reporting in downtown Cincinnati, Courtney Francisco, WCPO 9 News.